Guys.
Hi guys.
It is Tamika
and Cindy from Sister Saving You Cents.
And welcome back, Cent Savers.
Woo! We ain't done that in a minute.
We hyped today because guess what? It's Dad's birthday.
It's Dad's birthday.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday.
Woo!
Yes.
Y'all, mine's Friday.
Yes. Listen, this is a birthday stretch for us. The whole month of April.
It's a lot going on this week. Just for us as a family in general. We got a lot going on. Okay.
It's multiple things. Spring break has started for the boys.
Yeah, the boys is breaking.
So we got family.
We're going to see
events.
Mario during the week. Monday today is Daddy's birthday. We taking him to lunch.
Mm-hmm.
Friday, we don't know. We don't know what we're doing. I'm not tripping about my birthday because my most important thing is that we got Dad a good day. Okay, so that's his day today. Okay.
Yeah, today is Dad's day.
So I'm happy about that.
So wish Dad a happy birthday down
below.
Happy
birthday, Dad.
Okay, and if you would like for us to buy a coffee for Dad, you can do that with the link down below. Okay? And Dad does like his McDonald's coffee. He got really one this morning. So y'all just know that McDonald's coffee $2. But you know you can get a senior citizen coffee. Like
Dad will get a senior.
Our dad and our mom be doing a senior citizen coffee. Yeah. Okay, they've taught me about that. Oh. You can even get a senior citizen beverage for the free at Taco Bell. For as far as I know, Mom be getting it all the time. Ask your mama.
Your mama out here doing deals, and she don't even be doing deals. If y'all know our mama, y'all know how she is. She be acting like she coupon. She don't coupon.
She don't coupon, but she will figure out a senior citizen discount.
She will come to our house and get stuff. Okay,
that part.
So anyways, so we are here. We here because we said we would be. Honestly, it's Krusty.
Yes, and raise your hand down below. Did y'all get y'all Sam's Club membership before it went off sale? Raise your hand if you did, because it's gone. It's gone.
Now it's $30.
I was hoping they was gonna do a little stretch, but they didn't.
What I was gonna say is, remember how I said I thought it would be $25 would be the lowest now, but now to the standard. But now the standard is $30. See, when it was on before, when it wasn't on sale, it's $25, but now when it's not on sale, it's $30.
Sorry, my skin is doing weird.
I'm thinking we'll see 30s and 15s. 30s.
Yeah,
and 15s.
That's probably what it's gonna be, y'all, for real. Also, I don't know what that noise is.
It's a what is that? Ambulance.
That thing. It's an emergency vehicle. Yeah. But yeah, so hopefully you did. But we do have to let you know that Craftsy is about to end.
It's 25 cents.
Yeah. Or is it 49 cents?
It's 25 whole cents.
So see, this is why I don't like to use that lotion. You see that? That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, don't use that.
That's I told you something about it.
Some lotions ain't for everybody, y'all.
Okay? Oh, since I'm gonna wash my hands when we get in this one, you got some wipes.
Okay, she just be doing her right, y'all.
Let's go back. Craftsy is about to end. You have until the 31st to score this deal. Okay. Yes. Y'all already know how I be in the intro.
She do. She be here with us for a minute, then she gone. She'll come back. Okay. So we're gonna get Sister's hands washed.
Thank you so much for all the compliments on my hair. Y'all, I just really needed to not. I don't like doing my hair. Y'all don't know that, but I hate doing my hair. That is not a skill that I have. I'm not skilled in hair doing. Okay?
I used to have it. I lost it.
I used to have it more. Don't got it.
We need to practice.
The only thing I can do is a slick back. I can slick it back. That's all I can do. Is slick it back, and I can do an up and a down. I can do pigtails. I'm not good at styling hair.
Nobody want to do that right now.
So anyways, thank you so much for the compliments. Also, y'all did ask me about my Ibotta account. I don't know why my Ibotta account. Y'all asked the reason why. It just says saver data. That's what the reason is every single time. It says that it's been flagged for Ibotta data, saving data, and other things that don't make no sense. Okay.
Also, guys, y'all was so Ibotta is tripping. First of all, I haven't got my payout from Tuesday, y'all.
From Publix.
So Ibotta is tripping. All the apps is tripping. Okay. Also, y'all know Shopkick is on. A lot of people are asking for our opinion. We put it on the Friday's Walmart video, but we didn't go out blasting on social media. A lot of people did that. We just didn't do it. We don't really because
we knew that we were gonna let y'all know.
We're gonna let y'all know
on YouTube.
Yeah, pretty much.
Because this is who we communicate to.
Yeah, we communicate with y'all the most. Okay. Everywhere else you'll get a tad of this and a tad of that.
A tad of this and that. But I told y'all yesterday in both videos that Shopkick was no longer, so especially for that Pier Zero deal that I did in the Target video, because we did have Shopkicks on that the last time I looked. So I was like, if y'all wonder why I ain't talking about it, it's because it's gone. I did a little pop-up insert in there because I forgot I ain't tell you in the intro.
And then also make sure you stop leaving your money in these apps. Grab it out as soon as you can.
As soon as you can cash
out. Because we're in the area of we don't know what's going to happen at any time. Okay, it's just the way the world is. So
did y'all see that little thing for Checkout51 saying that they would cash out at $15 versus $20 for a limited time? I don't know if I still have the pop-up, but yes.
What?
Yes, sis. Hold on. Let me see if I can
find it. It
took
took 8 years to get Checkout51.
Hold on, because here's the thing. Look. I'm gonna show y'all. It says you can now cash out at $15 instead of $20 only until May 9th. Let me pull it back up. One moment, please. This is why I'll check my.
Oh, that remind me. I got my birthday dollar, sis, from Checkout51, and then I got my free Publix cake or whatever it's called.
Oh wait, here it is.
That might be what we do Fridays. Go pick up my freebies.
Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all better do it.
So, anyways, we're gonna go in here and talk about something.
We're gonna talk for 5 minutes. Okay, we gotta
Let's go.
Here in this section, this is what is this, like the cultural pops? I said cultural
These
pops.
are like the Preebs. These are just the specialty sodas.
Yes, is what we're gonna call it. Now we're looking for the Stellar. We do not carry. You see that? It's priced at $197. You can get a free can at your Walmart. Let us know if you have it at your Walmart. Yeah. Makes it totally free. So a freebie.
This says a Shirley Cola. Is that like a
Shirley
Temple Cola?
It might be like this lollipop. I said lolly. Yes. None of my words are working.
Yep.
All right, y'all.
All right, y'all. We back with these hot dogs. Tamika, I'm looking at my hot dog packs. These hot dog packs is not equal. Look at this.
Yeah, they both $2.84.
I just realized I got one big pack. Is this one bun size?
I don't know.
I don't know what the
they
difference
look exactly the same. But they sure. Maybe one wing and slid back, sis.
I'm confused.
One wing and slid. Y'all. We in the Walmart, and it's the small mart. We making a lot of noise.
We are. These are $2.84. You buying two for $5.68. Now we going back over here to Be Frugal. We got to go on sign up, okay? Because they got higher money. $4.11 back on 2. Y'all see that? Then we have 60 cents back on 1. Checkout51. Claim one time limit.
Yeah.
That's 97 cents or 48 cents.
Y'all help a Lord. All right. We are here with these milk bones. We got the minis and these other people. $3.98. Okay. 50 cents on our bottle.
And then you want to go over to...
I think Cindy took over my deal, but it's $800.
I don't know. I just wasn't talking.
She wouldn't listen to me. $800, which is 80 cents. That's going to make it $268. I think that's okay. I don't know. We don't buy dog treats, y'all.
I don't know what's a good deal on a dog treat because I don't have
It's something off a treat of a dog, so...
Tamika.
Yeah. Pick it on up. So, shout out to Save with Eunice. She had just posted a video while we was in the store about clearance in the
oh my God.
Laundry section. Hold on.
One?
So...
Okay.
We have these right here. Y'all see these Tide Boosts. This is the 45 count at $7. That's normally $19.94. And then, what did you find, sis?
This one right here.
Okay, so these
are the 25 extra large. These are on clearance for $5. And these also have a $5 back
when
on
you buy 2. Yeah, I'm
so
picking
that
them up.
makes these $2.50 each using your Walmart cash.
Yeah, definitely gonna pick that up.
We also have these bigger ones. These are $7. Y'all, I haven't had a chance to scan these because sis started recording before I could get to it.
It's fine. That's what we're here for.
But this one's $7. And this one does not have anything, but it is on clearance for $7.
Great. Y'all look at that, normally $20.
Yeah, and these are the XL pods.
I'm gonna get those probably, but let's go down here. Sis, we had found some more. Okay, so then we have their brand of Tide for $1.50.
Yes,
that's good.
Oh, this something
look,
is $3.
Their brand of pods for $4. Sis, I can't.
That says down here.
Yeah. Okay, so y'all see those up there, and then this one down here, sis. Which one was it? It's $5. This one
is $5, and it has $3 back in Walmart cash. And this is the 125 ounce. There's also one that's 158 ounce. It's also this one's $7. Has $3 in Walmart cash, a separate Walmart cash offer. So that makes that one $4.
So we have this Tide Simply and Clean. Y'all, this is $5. It has nothing on it. That's just good.
Yeah.
What else did we see? Oh, some of their brands were $1.50.
Yeah,
their pods. $1.50, and then down here their detergent is $3.
Yeah.
It just depends on what you like, but y'all better look because this is some good deals to be had. Okay, so definitely check your section. Oh, this say $4 for these game pods.
Yeah, and these are $7.
Did you check these, sis?
Which
this say 60 count game fleas for $4. That's probably going in the cart.
Yeah, let me check that.
Yeah.
Even if they don't have a coupon.
Yeah,
this has a 5 off of 2 offer.
Yeah, I'm
That'll
going
make those. That's a good deal. We're gonna get them.
Yeah, going in the cart. All right.
That's it.
We did this. We did this on Friday. Look, sis got a lot going on. We trying to post some clearance that y'all seen already, or you might see in the
later on.
Some part in this video. So we're here with the Snuggle scent boosters at $5.97. We now have $2.43 back on 1 on Be Fugal. I have the 1,000 points back on $5 on Fetch Rewards. This is $5.97, and then $1.50 on our bottom. This is gonna make it $1.04. So that's about 50 cents cheaper than Friday. So definitely pick it up if it's something that you need.
Yeah, we're here with this new looking OxyClean Odor Blaster that you use with your detergent for $7.98.
Since it say eliminate sweat and musty towels.
That's what I'm saying. Oh my, y'all! I need to tell y'all my musty towel story.
Yeah,
okay?
I thought them things was gone.
I didn't revive them things with some OxyClean. Okay,
holla at us,
what
Oxy.
else did I put in? Some Lysol sanitizer. I let the thing soak in the tub. Okay, for 3, 4, 5, 6 hours and hand wrung them with my hands. Okay,
she saved them towels.
And the must was out because it is my fault. I let my towels sit for too long. Okay.
Yeah.
I forgot about them. Okay, for 2 days. They were stanky. Anywho, $5 back on Ibotta Limit 1. That's $2.98 if your towels is musty.
This is a good one.
I'm just letting you know.
Look, we here. We ain't got this. This is the Aveeno. It's a skin relief healing ointment, price of $5.97. We've talked about this before. Sis can't find it on the phone, which is fine.
Yeah,
but it is $5.97. I will try to pop up a picture. Buy 2 for $11.94. What we do have is a 6 off of 2 Ibotta rebate. That would make
this is it.
Yeah, there we go.
Woo.
6 off of 2 Ibotta rebate or Walmart cash.
Yeah.
That's gonna make it $5.94 for 2 or $2.97 each. So that's half price.
Yes.
So not bad if you can find it.
There you go.
Hold on.
I about tip tapped on Sis's toe.
Tip tap.
We're back with this Nair cream because Be Frugal made it better. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So $5.84. You're picking up 2. Okay. Now we have $10.21 back when you buy 2 on Be Frugal. Okay. Then you're going to go over to Ibotta where we have $2 back, limit of 2. That's going to make 2 of these completely free and a $2.53 moneymaker. So go ahead and sign up for Be Frugal. I know we keep telling you this. And then when you redeem an offer, you do get a little bonus. Okay. You get a little bonus money.
Little bonus.
Okay. Pick it on up.
Oh my gosh, we're here with this degree 2 packs. These are priced at $6.96. This ends on
$3.31.
$3.31. Now you're gonna pick up one whole one, whichever
one package. Okay, y'all see this?
This is cheaper to buy one. So
$2.88.
4 buy 1, $2.88 on Be Frugal.
And then here we go.
$175 limit 1 on checkout 51.
Yep.
That's gonna make it $2.33. This is a good one for
That's
one.
a good deal.
Get
for
you
a 2-pack.
Just one.
You getting 2 packs?
Yeah.
I mean 2
you
pieces.
getting 2 in each one. Okay. All right, y'all.
Okay,
we are out of
y'all.
Walmart.
We are.
Sorry, my lips, y'all. What? I don't know what's going on with my phone. Anyway,
Listen,
we picked up this detergent.
We sure did. Y'all see it?
Yeah.
I think y'all can see it. And we got our Walmart cash right then, and I paid cash at the register. So, you know, we dibbling and dabbling, you know, doing a little picking up.
That
of the
Walmart
stuff.
cash is not hard. We're gonna try to do another video with Walmart cash so y'all can understand how to do it. It's not hard.
Yes,
it
yes,
worked. It did.
Yeah.
It did what it a bit, but we figured it out.
Yeah, because we was looking at things
too.
different ways.
Yes, bees. It's bee season.
Okay, listen.
Okay, we gotta go.
We gotta go because we're running behind. It's 12:48. We said we was gonna leave at 1:10 to head to the restaurant,
yeah,
and it's 12:48 Eastern Standard Time. This camera looking crispy today. You see it? It's crispy.
Like, share, subscribe, hype this video. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for something. We don't know what.
We don't know what yet.
Because remember, Publix is extended till Saturday.
So if they have some updated deals, I might go talk about them. But that's gonna be about it.
That's it.
Okay, we love y'all. Wish Dad a happy birthday.
Tune in tomorrow for Walgreens. We got a hot week.
And Walgreens. It's hot.
Tune in.
The block is hot. Bye.